Sanibona, namhlanje ngifisa ukukhuluma ngale shift esikhuluma ngayo sonke emhlabeni. A shift to the fourth and fifth dimension. For a long time, angizange ngi-understand nami into yakhona ukuthi ithini. But when I finally got it, it made a lot of sense. For someone like me who is a spiritual medium and ngiconnecta nabantu abangasekho, i-information abayilethayo kumina yokuthi they are in search of a light, they are in darkness, which is the reason why they come back. But they are looking for the light which is the source, which is God, which is love. What they are actually looking for is love. And I've always been emphasizing this point yokuthi, since abantu abadala mabebuya bathi badinga uthando, badinga ukukhanya, nathi masibelapha kumele senze indlela yabo ikhanye futhi ibe nothando. Silaphe ngendlela ezoba uplifter, to elevate ama vibrational levels abo, because if bekhala becomplain ashiso ba pants bacindezelekile, whatever it is, inhlambuluko or maybe izinto abazenzayo ezingalungile or whatever transgressions abawenzayo yabacindezela, so okwethu ukuthi sibaphakamise. Uthi noma uhamba uye kumelaphi ozoku uplifter ispirit, which is uplifting abantu bakhabadala bangasekho. So the fact ukuthi abantu abadala basebafuna uthando, bafuna ukukhanya, ithi lento bafuna elevation of some sort, from lower vibrations to higher vibrations. So lento yama vibrations ixhumana kakhulu futhi nama chakras wethu. Ama chakras are low from your root chakra to your sacral and your solar plexus. Those are the chakras materialistic kakhulu, adila kakhulu nezinto zasemhlabeni, awadili kakhulu nokuphakamisa umoya uxhumane noNkulunkulu. But once you are elevator, wa open your heart chakra, you then allow yourself ukuthi ukwazi ukukhonektha nalamanye ama chakras angaphezulu kwe heart chakra, which is your throat, your third eye and your crown chakra. In your spiritual journey, it's important ukuthi elevate. Njengoba si elevate abantu abadala ukuthi babone ukukhanya, nathi as human beings ngokuthi si navigate ama chakras ethu from the bottom to the higher chakras, siyazi elevator thina self. If thina si elevator siyoxhumana noNkulunkulu umdali, nabantu abadala uma bethi bafuna ukubona ilight, bafuna ukubona uthando nomdali, basuke besho the very same thing. In as much as si uplifta bona, sibageza, sibahlambulula, sibavulela indlela ukuthi bahambe bayekhanyeni, nathi on the other hand senza same thing. So thina ke as human beings, ngesikhathi sa operator from root chakra idila kakhulu nento yokusurvive, you know, survival of the fittest, competition, i-survival ephathelene kakhulu nezinto ezibasic emhlabeni. If usakuleyo, or if usa operator from your root chakra, kusho ukuthi usa operator with fear. Awakalithola uthando. Uthando silithola when we go up kuma chakras ethu. Once saya kwi heart chakra siyaqala sithola uthando. From the root chakra uyazi elevator uye kwi sacral chakra. Yona iphathelene kakhulu nama senses ethu, because ila ngakuma sexual organs, how iphathelene kakhulu nezinto zenjabulo. Nalapho usa elevateile from your basic needs zokuthi ngifuna i-shelter nokudla, usu elevateile, but usungena kwi-enjoyment and satisfying your material body. From there, when you go to your solar plexus, seku i-power ke lapho ke, i-power yoku invent izinto nokurula over abanye abantu. In as much as iyinhle, because those people aba operator kuleyo chakra benza umhlaba kube ilento oyiyona, in terms of maybe ba create izinto, bakhe namafemu kusebenza abantu, because banaleyo power to invent and do izinto, baphathe indlela abaphethe ngayo. Kodwa imingenalo uthando lolo lungenhla kwe heart chakra, it becomes a problem, because baphatha kuze kucindezeleka abantu. So as human beings, as we navigate ama chakras ethu sinyuka nawo, sizama ukunyukela size siyofinyelela kuNkulunkulu. If sisa operator below the heart chakra, sisa phansi nathi, and ma usaphansi uthola inkinga zalapho phansi. The more you elevate yourself and do your meditations and your breathwork and elevate yourself, it becomes easier even for you ukuthi ulungise abantu bakhabadala and cleanse them easily, because kwawena manje operator from a higher a vibrational level. So what happens is when one person changes emhlabeni bonke abanye abantu nabo baye balandele, and kugcina sekuyilento abayibiza nge-collective evolution of mankind. So if one person as elevator aze athole ukuvula i-heart chakra, because mina I always say ukuthi once wavula i-heart chakra, I mean that is a gold mine there, because from there on everything becomes easier. So if abantu bonke bezo elevator baze bafike kwi-heart chakra, that is what the world is trying to do manje. That is what everyone else is trying to get at. That is what this shift from the third dimension means. If you are still operating from lama chakras angenzansi, which are chakras adila nomzimba, ukuthi umzimba kumele udle uvikeleke, ube ne-shelter, uthole i-satisfaction leyo ukuthi ama-feelings akho omzimba uyisithokozise ngokomzimba wakho. Ebese futhi lapha yakwi solar plexus ukwazi ukuthi mhlambe ube nento yokuziphilisa. Maybe njengomsebenzi or invent izinto zokuthi emhlabeni ube mhlaba ilento yiyona. Okay, fine. Those chakras, in as much as amanye awebukeka sengazuthi powerful, but are we lower third dimension, because adila kakhulu ne-material world. But once waya with heart chakra, you begin to see things differently. When your heart chakra is opened, uxhumana nesource uqobolwayo, because source is love. People always use this term lightly, but God is love, and they don't really go deep in terms of explaining it deeper. So there's no muntu azokwazi ukuthi mehlangana nayo le feeling I acknowledge, I recognize which, okay, this is what they mean. We use that term loosely, but once you open your heart chakra, you understand exactly what it means when it says God is love. Once you open your heart chakra, uba nalolo thando naleyo understanding yokuthi we are all just one. Omunye umuntu, if they come to me, benza something to me, those people are projecting, but at the same time it's a reflection of something inside of me that I need to heal. If ubona omunye umuntu ehluphekile senkingeni, you need to be sympathetic and empathetically towards that person, because umuntu uyi-reflection yakho. If kusanabantu abahluphekayo abanenkinga, and when uyabajaja, you're judging yourself. So once you open your heart chakra, you get elevated to a dimension that is above a third dimension. I third dimension iyo le esigcina kwi-materialistic world, sigcine sesenza izinto ezi-selfish. Yeah, because once wa elevator waya higher to the other chakras, uba umuntu o-understandayo, ongabajaji futhi abanye abantu. So can you imagine if most of us sizo elevator sivule ama-heart chakra wethu, and then all the way up to i-crown chakra, ukuthi that is going to affect consciousness yomhlaba wonke, because whatever energy you emit, it affects people around you, and collectively it affects the earth itself. It is said ukuthi, because everyone is on a spiritual journey at the moment, and everyone is trying to find themselves, trying to find your higher self and get your downloads from the source. That is what we are all trying to do at the moment. And as we do that, we meditate, we manifest, and we are trying to live better lives. So if about 51% of us, la emhlabeni, we are elevating ourselves and we are living that kind of a life, it means ukuthi umhlaba wonke will then shift from a third dimension to the fourth and fifth dimension. There are other dimensions above that, but at the moment, if we can just open the heart chakra and operate from a place of love and understand that everything is about the source, is about God, is about is about love at the end of the day. We also need to grasp and realize and understand ukuthi even our ancestors, all they want is love, and love is God at the end of the day. If thina sizodila nabo ngokuthi sibabeke duze kwethu bahlale nathi ngaso sonke isikhathi, we are hindering their process of going back to the source, and we are also causing a stagnation kuthina ke empilweni yethu, because once you let go of our ancestors okumela ngabahleli noNkulunkulu, once wawadedela wawa release to God, then ubese ubhekana nempilo yakho-ke nawe ukuthi how do you elevate yourself so that when you die you don't cause a problem and you don't come back and say I didn't find love, because when uzolazi uthando usaphila usala emhlabeni manje.